Today we will understand how to create login screen in Figma. The first thing that we have to do is to take a frame. So we have two options. We can take frame from the top bar options, and directly we can go into F and select the frame size. So now I have selected the frame size of iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's give it a color, a soothing color, and then let's round the corners. So the specific size for iPhone is 20. Apple never uses more than 20. All right. So next thing that we have to give a bit of stroke, 20% of stroke in the login screen, not more than this. Next is effects. So effects is basically the elevations, the shadow that we put. So it's 2 for x-axis and 8 for y-axis. The blur will be 20% in the background and spread will be 4. The percentage opacity will be 43% for the login screen in iPhones. Okay, so these are the standards that Apple has provided. Now let's create the rectangles. So let's take a rectangle. It will be 200. Let's move it here. And if you want to duplicate it, you will press Alt and directly duplicate it downwards. Now what I will do, I will group it together so that whatever editing I put in one automatically goes into second one. So the corner radius will be 20 again. The color will be a bit differentiated so that we have different text over it. Here I will have phone or email. Now I will put it in the center. Figma is always helping me through the alignments. And let's replicate text again and put it as password. In the modern times, the login screen is also giving you options to log in through different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Google. So let's add that as well. So let's write or, put it in the center of the screen, and let's fetch the plugins. So brand fetch is the plugin. So let's have a Google plugin here. I'll download it on my Figma canvas. I'll give it 50 by 50 size and import it on my screen. The next thing that we do is install the Insta plugin, Instagram. So this is the symbol. Now let's put it here and give it again 50 by 50 size. And directly I will club it by group. I will group these two and I will have one again, Apple Pay. $50 by $50. So we will keep the hierarchy very equal, 50 by 50. Let's bring it in the frame. Let's club all of them into one group and my login screen is ready.